My name's Katie Pencke, and we're here at Alluvial Farms. We are primarily pork farmers. Having worked with pigs for a few years, I understood that there's always going to be some type of runoff coming off of a livestock operation, and I need to keep that out of the creek. We realized that we could put 10 acres of the site into Conservation Reserve Enhancement Program planting. And so with 180 feet between all of our activity and the creek, we're able to ensure that all that water is infiltrating and being taken up by plants and attaching itself to soil before reaching the creek. I think for me, one of the interesting things about the way that the buffer played out in our own story is that it actually became an economic driver. The buffer was the mechanism that allowed us to purchase the farm. I think planting this forest is completely tied in with our concept of how humans make food. That it's really important to recognize that the food is coming from a natural system, and that if we don't support and keep that natural system intact around our high-intensity food growing activities, then we won't be able to keep growing the food.
So the establishment of these riparian buffers is critical for salmon restoration. Whatcom Conservation District offers a variety of programs to help steward your land. If you're interested in learning more about habitat restoration programs or any of the programs that we offer, visit whatcomcd.org today.